What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my second moto vlog. Today we're just cruising on this nice day, yet it's pretty cold. I think it says it's 72, but with this breeze I bet it's supposed to feel like it's 42. Oh man, let's get into it. And if you couldn't tell from my past video, I have no idea what I'm doing with these video edits. The first video I actually edited, I don't think it was half bad. Hate that blind spot right there. It's cold. It's very cold. I'm freezing on this bike right now. Probably should have just rode or drove my bike, or drove my car, not rode my bike. But here we are. Housekeeping. I don't know if I should go through a video or make a video on like what I'm looking for while I'm riding for newer riders. I took one of those riding classes. It was pretty helpful, but I've been riding for many years and I still thought it was helpful, so I guess I could help people who don't take that class. I don't know. I don't know if I should make it or not. I get a couple of views if it's how to ride a motorcycle. Maybe I go through actually how to what is it, shift gears and I think those speed things shut off when it sees that you're accelerating fast. But they do that on purpose. Every time I go by that, it shuts off, and I've been wondering why. Maybe that's why I was trying to hit a high score on that thing. Yeah, dude's mud flaps. So pissed off or tired. Rough day for sure. That door doesn't even look like it's closed.